Hello, my friends. Yesterday we talked about how to start the FlyLady system, how to begin it. And we talked about doing the morning routine and the before bed routine. Now, I talked before about the 3-layer cake. So if you're new, this is going to be new to you. If you've been around for a while, this is a refresher for you. But the 3-layer cake, there are 3 layers to the FlyLady system. The base layer is your routines. You've got the morning routine, the clutter routines, the laundry routine, the paper routine, the after dinner routine, and the before bed routine. Those are the routines that you have to work on. That first week you start working on routines. So you're spinning one dish. Have you ever been to the circus and you've seen the man spinning dishes on all the different sticks, and he runs from stick to stick to get those plates, stop the plates from doing this and get them even again, so he's got the dishes going. So we have 3. The first dish we spin, or the first layer of the cake, is our routines. The second layer of our cake is our basic weekly plan. So that's what we're going to talk about today, the basic weekly plan. And that is a plan for you to start doing the things that you're probably already doing, but more in a planful way. So you've got Monday, this is for at-home homemakers. On Mondays, you're doing the weekly home blessing hour. On Tuesdays, you're taking a free day. There is no basic weekly plan that day. And you're also not going to do zones when we get to it, but for right now, there's no basic weekly plan. On Wednesday, it's planning and desk day. That's a quiet day. On Thursday, it's errand day. That's when you get your groceries and run all of your errands. On Friday, that's car and purse day, a quick little thing to do. Saturday, very important, your family fun day. And Sunday is renew your spirit day, the most important day. Okay, so if you are a payroll homemaker, you're not going to be doing it this way. You're going to take Monday, the weekly home blessing hour, and you're going to do that on Saturday morning, which means if you're getting up to go to work at 6 in the morning, Monday through Friday, you're going to get up at 6 in the morning on Saturday, or 7 in the morning, Monday through Friday, 7 on Saturday. And you're going to do your morning routines, and then you're going to do your weekly home blessing hour. You can share it with others in the family, or you can do it alone. It's up to you. I recommend delegating. I think that's the best way for families to get along and appreciate all that you do, because you also work a full-time job. All right, so on the Monday job will happen Saturday morning. The Tuesday job is a free day. If you're a payroll homemaker, you don't get a free day, but you get periods of time without children if you work away from the home. That's why it's so important, if you're a full-time payroll person, payroll homemaker, that you take these little pockets of time that you normally would have taken if you were driving to and from work, if you were taking a lunch hour. Those are your pockets of time. They all add up to a free day over the week. So make sure you give yourself 20 or 30 minutes in the morning before work, 20 or 30 minutes after work, just as if you were driving home. And you enjoy your lunch hour. And it's not mommy, laundry. No, it's your free time. Okay. Although you do still have routines on a free day. So actually laundry is not part of your free day. However, I still don't want you to do it on your lunch hour, because if you were at work, you wouldn't do it. You would be doing it later. All right. So Wednesday is planning and desk day. That's a quiet time. I suggest Sunday afternoons for that. It's a quiet time to plan. Then Thursday is errand day. As an employed person, I would highly recommend, or even as a mother, if you're watching this, an at-home mother with children at home, I highly recommend that you order your groceries and have them delivered, or you pick them up, because it makes life so much easier. So that's errand day. You may have some other things as we get out of the pandemic. Maybe you're going to Costco, or you're going to Sam's, or you're going to the dry cleaners, or you're going to the library, or maybe you're doing that now in a careful way, okay? But make sure that you're doing your errands on one day a week. So if your husband says, honey, I need you to put this in the dry cleaners for me, you say, I go to the dry cleaners on Thursday, and I'll be happy to take it then. Could you pick up a tool for me at Harbor Freight? Absolutely. I'll pick it up on Thursday for you. That's the day I run errands. If you need it before then, you're going to have to get it yourself. Okay, Friday is car and purse day. That's a 15-minute job. It doesn't take long. You do it every single week, every single week. So for you, you can do that during your lunch hour. That is something you could do during your lunch hour. On Saturday, it's Family Fun Day. So after you finish the weekly home blessing hour on Saturday and you've done your routines, the rest of the day for you when you're at this level is Family Fun Day. And Sunday is Renew Your Spirit Day, but you do have that afternoon Planning and Desk Day. Okay, so that's how you do the second layer of the FlyLady system. So again, the first layer is your routines, and the second layer is your basic weekly plan. Now, I will tell you, the next video I make is going to be how to incorporate zones, and you will be flip-flopping the position at that point. But these basic weekly plans are so important because they're things you should be doing anyway. Getting groceries, trying to keep your house clean a little bit, spending time with your family, planning out what you're going to, when you need to go to the doctor, when you need to take your child to Girl Scouts, etc. So these are the things you're going to do. If you want more details on these, go watch How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. That's an older video. Or you can watch individual videos on these things. If you have a question about routines, you can look at each routine on my video playlist that is a collaboration with Inspired by Nikki, where I talk about the specific thing, and then Nikki gives you an example of the physical requirements to do that in her home. Now, it's her home. Everyone's home is different, okay? All right. So you know what you need to do. You're going to get up in the morning and do your morning routine. You're going to get a little laundry done. If you're an at-home homemaker, you're going to get the laundry done throughout the week in the morning as soon as possible. If you're a payroll homemaker, you may or may not be able to get laundry done throughout the week. You may have to focus on Saturday and Sunday getting it done as soon as possible. Okay? But sometimes you can do a load of laundry in the evening so easily, especially if you're not doing humongous loads, and you realize that when you dry it, you have to fold it and put it away. Okay? And ask the family to help. They don't necessarily have to fold it, but they definitely have to put it away, and I would always have them fold it. Fold at least their things and some of the things that we share, like towels, okay? All right, so after laundry, we have paper. So you're going to do an inch of paper every morning, no matter if you work outside the home or work inside the home or in an at-home homemaker. 1 inch of paper every morning. That doesn't take 15 minutes. That doesn't take 10 minutes. It takes about 3 minutes to go through an inch of paper. Like that. You're looking for things that are like looking for an egg on an Easter egg hunt. You're just looking for the magic thing that needs attention. Everything else is recycle or garbage. Okay? Most of it is that comes in to the house. Every now and then, your children, when they go back to school, they'll be starting to bring home lots of artwork and things that they are so proud of, and there's nothing wrong with them keeping some of that, but you can't keep all of that. A recommendation that I have for you is to string in their bedroom a little something and give them some clips, and they can put 5 or 6 pieces of art on that they love the most. Even if you're at home parenting or you're distant schooling, at home schooling or distance schooling, they're going to make art. So those things they want to keep, they can pin to their line in their bedroom. However, and just hang it on the wall so it's like flat against the wall. Each time they make new art, they may want to say, I want to keep this. And you say, that's great. I think it's great. Which one do you want to get rid of? And they pick out the one they like the least. You'll know the ones they really love, and those are the ones you're going to save over the year. And they're not going to be very many. But you save a few so that later on you can look back and say, oh, look at these cute little things you made. You thought that was so special. And give it to them when they graduate, and that's now theirs to do with what they please. And mostly they'll throw it away, but you did your part. Okay. And then we've got, we do laundry, paper. We've got the morning routine, which we've already talked about yesterday especially. And then you've got your, so you're going to do that and go to work if you're payroll. If you're not payroll, you're going to stay home and you're going to do your basic weekly plan. And then you're going to do a clutter check after breakfast, clutter check after lunch, clutter check before bed. For payroll people, clutter check before you leave, clutter check when you get home, clutter check before bed. And then you've got your after dinner routine, your before bed routine, and you're done. Okay? So this is the second layer. Look for the next video, which is going to be the third layer, the third little spinning dish, which is zones. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.